clear everyone? So Gorish is having doubt. Yes, Gorish, you can ask.
यस मैम मैम जो आपने एक्सरसाइज का फर्स्ट पार्ट रिपीट कर दो. व्हाट प्रॉब्लम्स आर यू लाइकली टू फेस इफ यू कीप एंड्स एज पेट्स?
If we keep ants as pets, then it will be difficult for us to find them, okay, because they are so small. And then secondly, it will be difficult to feed them and taking and okay, when they are not well, so it will be difficult for us to take care of them. So that is the hints only. You can just write your own answer, okay?
ओके मैम,
Okay. So
थैंक यू.
now I'm moving to the writing skill, okay? So today we'll do diary entry. Please note down the heading in your rough notebook. Don't do directly on fair. Okay? Write down in rough notebook diary entry. So first of all, what is diary entry? Who will explain? Show me thumbs up. What is diary entry? What is diary entry? Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in diary entry, we talk to our diary and express our feelings to the diary, and we think that diary is a living thing, and we are friend of it.
Exactly. Yes. So diary entry beta is a type of writing, ठीक है, that is very much personal, ठीक है, that is your personal writing, and you don't allow anyone to read it, ठीक है, that is your diary entry, and you feel that diary is your friend actually, and you share everything with your diary, ठीक है. So let me just show you the definition quickly. A diary entry is a form of writing, and ठीक है, where individual writes the account of the day. आपका डे कैसा पास हुआ, जनरली यू राइट दैट थिंग, ठीक है. वी रिकॉर्ड आवर पर्सनल फीलिंग, सो इट इज अ पर्सनल डॉक्यूमेंट. सो यू जस्ट राइट पर्सनली वॉट एवर यू फेल्ट द होल डे, ठीक है. दैट इज योर डायरी एंट्री, दैट इज योर डायरी एंट्री. नाउ फॉर्मेट, you can note down the format if you want. So what do we write in the upper part, beta, in the upper format? Who will tell me? You have done diary entry so many times. Yes, Devang.
Ma'am, day,
Okay, day.
time, and
डे के
in the
सामने
lower
टाइम.
part,
यस यस.
ma'am, और ma'am day के नीचे date
ओके, डे.
and dear diary.
डियर डायरी. ओके. सो दिस इज योर फॉर्मेट, ठीक है. जो
Ma'am, I have.
हाँ जी बेटा, यू कैन आस्क.
Ma'am, this we have to do in here.
यस बेटा, यू हैव टू डू इन फेयर. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज डे, डेट, डियर डायरी, और ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड टाइम. ओके. देन आफ्टर दैट कंटेंट ऑब्वियसली, and minimum 150 words should be there, ठीक है, in the content part. And what should we write in the ending, Shubh? I think the screen is
Ma'am,
still.
this video is freezed.
Repeat it.
Ma'am, his video is freezed now.
Yes, 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 yes. So what do we write in the end?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the end, we first of all we will write a line that. So I'm tired a lot of time after the whole day. So I'm going to sleep, and at the end we will write our name.
Yes, exactly.
And ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ जी बेटा, you can ask.
यस मैम. मैम, अभी जब दिवांग ने आपसे पूछा था तो आपने उसको कहा कि फेयर में करनी है, और मैम आपने पहले कहा था कि फेयर में नहीं करनी है.
नहीं, मैंने कहा था अभी मत फेयर में करना, अदरवाइज यू विल
ओके मैम.
राइट इन बैड हैंड राइटिंग.
Ma'am,
ओके मैम.
ओके. यस शुभ. हाँ जी बेटा.
ma'am, definition fair में लिखनी है.
डेफिनेशन रहने दो बेटा, दैट इज जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज ओनली. यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली फॉर्मेट, ठीक है, यू कैन राइट फॉर्मेट. Okay, next one is, this is your format everyone: day, date, dear diary, and time also on the right side, then content, then your name. Now points to remember. This also you will write in here so that you can revise during exams also which points you have to remember. Okay, so first one is write the day properly. This I think I always repeat the thing that please write the full form, don't write the short form, है ना. So I always repeat these things. So please write down the full day. Don't write sat, fry, thurs. Okay. So second point is date properly. This is the correct way of writing date. I have written on the screen. So 19 October 2020. So this is the correct format. I just randomly picked out one date and I just wrote down. Okay. And then this is also the correct way. Okay. And these two ways you can choose any one. आप एक पक्का अपना date का format रख लो in application writing, in notice writing, in diary entry, all. ठीक है. In all writings you have to follow this format only. There is no dot, no comma in the first format. In the second one there is one comma. October 19. ठीक है. And this is obviously the incorrect way. No, this is not the correct way. And this is also no. Otherwise in general life, ठीक है, day to day life you can use these formats, but in writing, especially in exam, ठीक है, in English writing skill you are not supposed to write it. And the next one is maximum use of personal pronoun I. ठीक है. Obviously you can use he she also according to the topic, but maximum use of personal pronoun I is there. Then express your point of view and lay stress on the feelings and emotions. जितनी feelings express कर सकते हो उतनी करो. And point of view also. According to me, this incident, the incident happened is not correct. ठीक है? So why do you feel so? अपना point of view रखो. ठीक है? Whether it is good or bad. Now in the first line you can start it like this. I'm really proud of what I did today. Maybe you have won the prize today. ठीक है? What a wonderful day it was, or I was very happy and excited today. So these are the few sentences. And अगर कुछ bad हुआ था, ठीक है, तो you can just write according to that. ठीक है? What a terrible day it was. Terrible means bad. So if something good happened, what a wonderful day it was. ठीक है? Or I was very happy and excited. Maybe you attended a wedding just today, so you can write I was very happy and excited. Or अगर आपने कोई prize win किया है, medal, or okay participated in something, so you can write I am really proud of what I did today. So these are the points to remember. Any question regarding these points? Then I'm moving to the topic. You can ask your question. First of all, please lower your hand if you are not having any kind of doubt, because you always forget to do this. If you are not having any doubt, please lower your hand. So one by one, I'm going to unmute and please ask your question. One is Shubh, then Amarjot.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, points to remember लिखने हैं फिर copy.
Yes, beta, you will write. You have to write. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Next is Amarjot. Amarjot, I think. नहीं, उसकी screen still है. Yes, Amarjot. Any doubt? Any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am, वो पहले का ही है.
Okay. Harmeet, please ask your question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we write yesterday I had the bitterest experience of my life, or I had the wondrous experience of my life?
Yes, you can write. Yes, you can write. Okay. Always try to write your lines. Okay. This is just the examples only. Always try to write something different. Next is Saksham Samarth. Yes, beta.
मैम मेरी वीडियो ऑन है, पर मैम पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, टेक्निकल इश्यूज में मैम वो ऑन और स्टिल रह रही है.
It's okay, beta. It's okay. Just don't go to participant list. ठीक है. जैसे आप उस पे जाते हो तो तभी आपकी वीडियो ऑफ हो जाती है. Okay. Next is Saksham and Samarth.
ये मैम मेरे को मैम टाइनी टीचर्स वाले चैप्टर में डाउट है.
हाँ जी बेटा, you can ask.
मैम मेरे को आज का 5th क्वेश्चन पता नहीं चला.
Fifth question. Can you speak the question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Mention 3 things we can learn from the tiny teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, this is the last 3 lines of the chapter. You can write any 3 things. ठीक है?
मैम रीजन मैम इसका.
Reason, you can write that कि hard work is the key to success. We can get success only with the hard work. That's why I have chosen the hard work, discipline, and or be sense of duty. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So everyone give reason for your for choosing those items. पहले आपने 3 चीजें चुनी, that is hard work, sense of duty and discipline. For me, you can choose something extra also. So I have learned from the ants what type of things: hard work, sense of duty and discipline. So उन्होंने आगे पूछा कि why have you chosen these 3 things? So you will write that hard work, sense of duty and discipline are very important to get success in life. ठीक है, that's why I have chosen it. Okay, then next diary entry topic, please. This is your topic. It's based on this only, beta. Suppose you are Amit or Neha living in Jalandhar. Today you read a lesson on the life of ant, okay? And you have learned a lot from the life of ant. So write a diary entry in 150 words, sharing your feelings. So this is your topic, and I'm giving you 1 minute for starting the format and writing the first line of your content. I'm giving you 1 minute for that thing. So get ready, please. एक तो आपको ऊपर वाला फॉर्मेट लिखना है 1 मिनट में एंड द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ द कंटेंट एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. चलो बेटा, लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. दिवांग, प्लीज टेल मी.
Friday,
ओके, फ्राइडे.
9 p.m. Under Friday, date and dear diary.
Okay, wait please. Friday, then you will write time. It's generally beta we write our diary at night, so you can write 9 p.m. ठीक है.
Ma'am, and
Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So हाँ जी बेटा, next please.
under Friday, it's 30 April date.
30 April, then 2021.
21.
Okay, next.
And under dear diary.
Dear diary. Okay.
The
So
first line is,
here you will leave one line, then you will write the content. हाँ जी बेटा, first line is.
hello diary, how are you? It's a long time that I haven't tell you about a single event, so apologies for that. Today I read a lesson on the life of the ant. It's a very good lesson. Ma'am, abhi aate ke liye.
Okay. So beta, everyone, so try not to write. Obviously, in lower classes, you used to write this thing that hello diary, how are you? Just try to just ignore these type of things. Directly you can start your day. Okay? Directly you can start. So yes, Karthik, only the first line of the content. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Today I want to tell you something interesting. Today in my English class, I read a lesson on the life of ant. Ma'am, only this much I have written till now.
Okay. Just continue, beta. Okay, what an interesting day it was, okay? And I learned so many things today, okay? In one of the period, yeah, in English period, I read a lesson on the life of ant, okay? And I was so surprised when I read that. Okay, Parul.
मैम आपने मुझे अनम्यूट कर दिया.
Sorry, Parth, beta. I just read the name Parul. Okay, yes, Parth.
मैम फर्स्ट लाइन सिर्फ.
Only one line, yes. या जितनी भी आपने कंटेंट में एक दो लाइंस लिखनी है.
Okay. Dear Daddy, I am here to share my views with you. Today in my classes, I have read a lesson, The Life of Ant. In this chapter, I hear that how ants struggle in her life.
Okay, how ants struggle in its life. Okay, well done. So Jasmine, what 2 or 3 lines you have written? Please tell us.
Hello, Daddy. Today in English period, I read a chapter, The Life of Ant. Although the ant is tiny, but its work is too hard.
Okay. Although the ant is tiny creature, but I was amazed when I read that it does a lot of hard work. Okay. So next is Harmeet, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Today I had the sweetest experience of my life. I never had such beautiful experience before. Today in English period, I read a story about the life of an ant. I read that life of ant is very difficult. Ma'am, बस इतने ही लिखा.
Okay. Okay, you can continue, beta. Well done. Next is Adgun. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. What an interesting day it was. Today in school, we learned about the life of ants. I was shocked to know that how hardworking ants are.
Okay, how hardworking ants are. Okay, I was surprised to know. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
shocked we generally use with the negative things and surprised with the positive one. Okay. Okay, Jasmine, I think you got turn or not? Jasmine? Yes, I think you got turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have got it.
Yes. Chehek.
Yes, ma'am. Do you know, hey, Diary, do you know that what a wonderful lecture I have today? In today's lecture, I have learned about the life of ants. Work is very hard. I was so amazed to know about this story. Ma'am, अभी इतना ही लिखा है.
Okay, fine. So initially when I just read the name of the lesson, okay, I just felt that it would be boring, okay. What do we do with the life of ant, okay? But as soon as we started reading the lesson, okay, I just felt amazed and I was surprised, okay. I came to know so many facts about the life of ant, okay. Then you can discuss 2-3 facts also जो आपको पता है ना. And the most interesting part is that how they greet each other, है ना. मेरे को सबसे interesting बेटा ये लगा. You can write your, ठीक है, how they greet each other. So then you can move to what you have learned and how will you apply those things to your life. So many things are there to write. I think 150 words आपके easily बन जाएंगे. So Jasmeet and Jasween, what have you written, beta? Jasmeet first, then Jasween.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, you can ask Jasmeet.
मैम आज जो आपने चैप्टर 1 द लिटिल टाइम द टाइनी टीचर करवाया है ना क्वेश्चन आंसर, मैम मैंने लेट ज्वाइन किए 1, 2 और 3 क्वेश्चन एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर दो.
1, 2 and 3 beta. First of all, please give me the reason why you joined late. And you are beta continuously remaining absent also for some days. So you are supposed to be regular because your attendance beta, we send your attendance to ma'am also, principal ma'am. So try to be regular, okay? So first one is a grub takes more than 3 weeks to become a complete ant. This is your first answer. सेकेंड इज ये भी बेटा इसमें दिया हुआ है चैप्टर में, दे कैरी अबाउट ग्रब फॉर एयरिंग एक्सरसाइजेज एंड सनशाइन। और मैंने बेटा बाय मिस्टेक कैरिड बोल दिया था, अब मैंने देखा है कि डू है क्वेश्चन में, आपको कैरी ही लिखना है, ठीक है। जैस्मीत सेकंड आंसर दिया हुआ है पेज नंबर 4, जो 4 एंड्स बनी हुई है उसके ऊपर, ठीक है, फॉर एयरिंग एक्सरसाइज एंड सनशाइन। और थर्ड आंसर उसके नीचे वाले पैराग्राफ में, 4th लाइन, new ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. You can find out at home, and if you will feel any problem, then you can ask me. Okay. Okay, Jasween, please speak up the lines.
Today is my inspirational day. Today in my English class, we learned about the ant struggle. It's an interesting story.
Okay. So what an inspirational day it was. Okay. So she has given us one more adjective. Okay. Interesting, inspirational. Okay. Well done. Okay. Next one is Shubh. Shubh, what have you written?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, dear diary, what a beautiful experience it was today in online classes. I learned about the life of ant and I was surprised to learn the lesson. They work very hard and they are very disciplined. They greet each other while touching antennas and take more than 3 weeks to become a proper ant. New ants learn many things from workers, builders, and soldiers, etc.
Okay. Okay. Well done. Continue with her. Continue.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Well done. Okay. So everyone, what you have learned from them, you have to explain those things. ठीक है, आप अपनी लाइफ में उसको कैसे अप्लाई करोगे। So I have decided for myself also that I will work hard in my life. Okay. So many hints I think I have given. Just do your work. ठीक है, I will not disturb you. I'm taking attendance. Please give me 1 minute. So before ending the this meeting, is there any question in your mind? You can just ask me. You can show me thumbs up quickly, Vita, because so many hands are raised. And complete this diary entry in your pair also. Okay? No doubt? Okay then. Okay, Shubh is having doubt. Yes, Shubh?
मैम मैंने थोड़ा आगे लिखा है I learned from them that we should work hard for success and be disciplined.
Okay, and be disciplined. Okay, well done. So you can complete this in 150 words. Okay? Jasmine, quickly
Okay.
ask your question as you have to join the next period also. Yes, Jasmine.
Ma'am, I have also more लिखा है मैंने और लिखे हैं.
How many lines?
Ma'am, about 10.
Okay then, beta, I'll just listen to it tomorrow. ठीक है, 10 lines में आपका next period late हो जाएगा. Okay then, take care. ठीक है, complete this diary entry in your fair. ठीक है, bye.